Hi. Have you ever felt the urge to give up yourself? Have you ever felt like your life was too much for you to carry on? Have you ever compared yourself with others and saw no value in yourself? Have you ever come to the lowest point in your life where you think killing yourself would be the only solution? Have you experienced the dark battle with a lot of unseen tears and unheard voice where nobody could feel you nor understand you? And you are sick and tired of this region, you just want to come out from this but don't know how to, and slowly you are sinking and it is killing you inside. Maybe some of you have gone through, some of you might be experiencing at this time, and there may be some of you who have no idea what I am talking about and wondering if this battle ever existing in life. Yes, this battle is real, and I am the little piece of obedience set free from this battle. You know, every one of us experience life in our own way, and we have our own battles, and I do have so much to tell you. For more than 4 years, I was in total darkness, helpless and confused. Surviving each day was like going through fire. Didn't know where to turn. And every morning I would wake up feeling down, discouraged and unloved, miserable beyond description, tired of being left and behind. Life was just too heavy. And just give up and suicide were the only words that stuck on my mind, and trying to fill this emptiness by hanging out with friends, drinking, eating, and this will add more problems at the end, and realize that all this thing cannot give me the real peace, and feeling like as if the whole world rejected me, nobody could understand me, wondering why am I here on earth, and asking God, are you really exist? Are you real, with all this question? And maybe you are listening to me right now and whispering this to your shaking heart that yes, this is me and I'm fighting this battle. I want to tell you that yes, God is real and He can give you the real peace and love that you need. Whoever or wherever you are, if you are hurting deeply, if you have attempted suicide or want to, if you have been abused, feel worthless, rejected or overlooked by everyone and think that nobody can understand you. But all this unwelcome situation, worthless, hopeless, futureless, valueless, useless I have gone through. And maybe things may be hard for you right now, and it may seem like nothing is working out. But whatever it is, just know that things will surely get better and everything will be fine. No matter how long the night is, the morning will surely come. So hold on, stay strong. Hard times don't last forever. And there's still healing and there's still hope in Christ. I know how it feels like no, when no one seems to care and love us. I know how it's like to feel helpless and want to die. But I know God can save. And I do know that how it feels like to be forgiven and set free from this battle and experience a peaceful life in Christ. And I just want to encourage you, if you are fighting with this battle, surrounded by this darkness, consumed and deceived by all those evil in your mind and in your life. I want to tell you, ask God from God, and He will surely help you. Don't give up. Your problem has an expiry date, and God loves you. God is with you. God is for you. You are not alone. So don't give up. God bless you, and thank you for listening. Thank you.